Welcome guys. So yeah, it's been a while since I updated the channel. Been going through some changes personally. Recently had a career change, so I've been there probably about a couple months now, starting this full-time job. During that period, the Forester started having some issues. During my daily commute, there's a bridge, the Chesapeake Bay Bridge, and it's a long bridge. It's under construction, and I needed something reliable that I could count on for over the next 10 years, I would say. The Forester, I had 200,000 miles on it, and it was, who knows, it would have been time for a new motor, but it would have been cheaper probably to keep that going. But I don't know, I decided I want to get something different, so this is what I got. So this is a 2016 Toyota RAV4. This model right here is an XLE. It's got 50,000 miles on it currently. Future mods, I mean, like I said, it's a daily, so I'm not gonna lower it like the Forester, but I do plan on doing, I don't like the black pieces. I plan on getting those painted, color matched to the car eventually, whenever that happens. Having a car payment sucks, obviously, but in return you get something reliable, and overall, like I said, I've been really happy with it. When I first saw it, I really liked it. The original plan was I actually wanted the new 2019 Corolla hatchback, and I think those are dope. One of the reasons I really love about it is because I had a 2007 that my brother Pooty now drives, but it gets such great gas mileage. Front wheel drive, with good tires, it does good in the snow. This is a great overall car, but mainly the good thing about that is the fuel economy and the reliability. This car has more, the fuel economy is about the same as the Forester. I'm getting about 25, 24 with the highway commuting now. But it's all-wheel drive as well, it's like the Forester. So I don't know what it's like in the snow yet, but I hope to get some better tires on it. I mean, I haven't tried them yet, so we'll see how they do this winter. But yeah, so the Forester's gone. It would be missed, but like I said, I like trying different vehicles. So the Forester had its good run, and I still have the playlist that you can see of everything I did to it, and it's something that I can always remember it by. So this will be my next one. So I might just change out the wheels. Like I said, I just like gunmetal. I might get just gunmetal 17, just swap them out. I know Eibach makes a lift kit. I don't know if I want to make it any higher, but it's fine the way it is now. So far, things I've done so far, I just got the LED bulbs. I have the window visors. That's pretty much it. But let's go over the car and see what it's got inside. I'll take a look at the interior. The interior is pretty good. It's called ash. It's like a black gray material. It's like cloth, but I like the color scheme. I love the front end design. It kind of reminds me like a RDX kind of. The back is okay. I'm not, like I said, for some reason I like cars with good fronts and bad backs. The back could use something. I don't know what it is, but it's a big booty car. Yeah, factory 17-inch wheels, fog lights, all that stuff. It's pretty basic, but it's really good. I really do love it. It's got a power lift gate on the back. That's gonna remote open. I'm not used to that. That's pretty nice. That's it. So this is my 2016 RAV4 XLE. This is my daily, so I might have some content on if I do anything small to it, but it's not gonna be much, but it's a good daily driver for now. The Legacy is now bagged, obviously. That's gonna be set for a while. So now both cars are gonna be pretty much static as far as mods being done, because I'm gonna be broke for a while now. Appreciate all you guys checking this out, and I'll be probably doing some more video reviews on this RAV4, what I think about it, but so far I really do love it, and I do recommend it, especially if you live in an area where if it snows a lot and you need that all-wheel drive. I live in Maryland, so I really don't need the all-wheel drive, really only when it snows, if it snows. But it's good to have for safety-wise. It has a good amount of room. Highly recommend it. Loving it so far. Love the color, super white all day. Yeah. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you around. Dun, 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 dun.